Origin's model selection tool, named Best Subset Selection, can be used to evaluate all combinations of predictor variables and select the subset that best meets model evaluation criteria. The engineering team is interested in determining the variables that significantly impact a rocket engine's fuel pressure, and they collected a dataset with 9 variables. The response variable is in column I, fuel pressure, which is measured in psi. We selected 8 continuous predictor variables that are believed to influence fuel pressure. These variables include fuel temperature, fuel density, the flow rate of the fuel injected into the combustion chamber, the temperature in the combustion chamber, speed of the turbopump, the ratio of oxidizer to fuel, nozzle efficiency, and engine throttle level. We don't want to include all these independent variables in our regression model. This is because some predictors can be correlated with one another, leading to multicollinearity in our model. And including all variables can lead to overfitting, with the model providing a good fit for the data on hand but performing poorly when the model is applied to another, fresh dataset. So, instead of manually fitting different combinations of the predictor variables, we can rely on the Best Subset Selection tool to automatically identify subsets that best meet model evaluation criteria. To access this tool, go to Statistics, Regression, Best Subset Selection. Choose fuel pressure as the dependent variable. The engineering team believes that 3 variables, turbopump speed, throttle setting, and injector flow rate are all key variables that heavily influence the rocket engine's fuel pressure. They would like to build a model that always includes these 3 variables. We can follow these requirements by clicking on the triangle button next to independent variables in all models and clicking on Select Columns and selecting these variables. We can add the remaining independent variables under Free Independent Variables. Click on the Settings tab. Let's keep the default settings under number of free independent variables, a minimum of 1 and a maximum of 5. Then we will build models with at least 4 independent variables, including the force 3 that are always a part of the model, and a minimum of 1 free independent variable. From these models, we can choose to display the best 2 models with 4, 5, 6, and 7 independent variables that meet model selection criteria. The maximum number of independent variables in the model is 8. Only 1 model is displayed at this level. Click OK. The red flag at the top of cell A in the long name displays summary information about the model. Columns B to J are the relevant fit statistics. Red text highlights the best measure from each column. Columns K to O are the free independent variables. In row 1, oxidizer ratio is the free independent variable in a model with 4 independent variables. Based on the fit statistics, this model meets almost all model evaluation criteria. The highest R-square is found in the full model, but that's expected since R-square will increase as more terms are added to the model. Our next step is to perform a regression analysis. Highlight row 1, and the mini toolbar will appear. Click on the multiple linear regression icon to analyze the selected model.